What's up everyone? This time I bought this iPhone 7 for just 20 bucks. So I bought this exact iPhone 7 for just $20. Today I was at school and a guy from Facebook Marketplace just told me that he's selling a phone and he wants like $20 at least for this. So I agreed on it and I ended up buying this phone for the $20. As you can see, it comes with a box and everything. When I open this, it has like the manuals and all those information, so that's kind of cool. We don't have the charger or anything like this. We don't have the headphones, but I don't care because this phone is just $20. As you can see, the phone itself is in a pretty good condition. It has some scratches here and on the screen, but I mean, for the price of $20, I don't expect anything crazy. Now when you go to the settings and battery, you can see that this battery health is just 74%. So it's not a lot, but still $20. We are on a tight budget. As you can see, everything works. I tested every feature of this phone before I purchased this, and everything is functional, so I think I'll be able to just sell this for at least $60 to even up to $100. I will see for how much I will end up just selling this one for, but as for now, I think I will use it as a spare device. On my second channel, you can see the tests of this phone and some games, and on Saturn's channel, you can see the tests there. So thank you a lot for watching this video. As you can see, you can buy many great phones for a very small amount of money. Like this iPhone 7 for $20. I'm sure you can find some great deals in your country. And if you are just trying to buy a new phone, a new iPhone, just try out the iOS. I'm sure you can find many great deals there. Thanks all for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding iPhone reselling business or some other ways of making money as a teen, let me know in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. See you in the next one. Bye.